So I know you guys usually see me get on here and model my little outfits and all that cute gym girl stuff. They sent me something else. I got something like that's meant for grown-ups. I feel so grown up. Hold on. I got a vacuum. And this is so exciting. I feel like vacuums are an adult purchase. And it works. And like it's lights. And it's purple and cute. It's like perfect for me. I charged it last night because I was excited. So we're at 100%. Listen to it. Setting 1. I already know exactly how to use it, but you can still hear me, right? That's crazy, right? And it works. Look, I can literally vacuum all day now. Like, you get the point, right? I know you still hear me. I know you do. Honestly, it don't get more grown up than me, honestly. All I'm saying is I'll link it below. I think it's on sale right now. 10 out of 10 for me. Expandable. You can shorten it for you short girls. It comes with a charger thing it hangs on the wall with, and these 2 different pieces that clip into here for storage. Come on, cut it out. This brush piece, listen, they got me. I'm grown up. I love it here. Comes with a manual, but I swear on my life, you didn't even need to look for the manual to piece this bad boy together. Comes with an extra filter. I don't know. If you want to feel grown up and accomplished and walk around just picking up stuff with a vacuum cleaner all day, click the link below. Happy shopping. Hold on, y'all see what I just did, right? I did a little bit of stuff last night too. Do y'all see inside of there? All that dust and stuff. I don't know if that's showing y'all that I'm dirty or if it's showing y'all that this works. I'm just saying, get it.
Vamos a abrir esta caja que me llegó hace como 3 días. Yo ordené una aspiradora para recoger basura. Y yo tengo otro pequeñito, pero no me gusta porque ya es demasiado pequeño. Entonces este es muy grande y hoy tenemos 80% de descuento. Así que amiga, aprovecha esa oferta que está solo. Hoy tenemos esa oferta. Y también otra cosa, este aspiradora es de buena calidad. Recojo toda la basura que está tirado, pelo de perros, todo es muy bueno. Y escuchen su sonido de esa aspiradora. Este es el sonido de esta aspiradora. Así que si quieres el tuyo, acá abajo del video le dejo el link para que también ordenes el tuyo. Y otra cosa que no les comenté, esta aspiradora trae su propia luz. Si ustedes deciden usar en oscuridad, trae su luz. Como ven aquí, ese lucito que está allí es su luz de esa aspiradora. Y es de buena calidad. Yo lo recomiendo que es de buena calidad. Y aquí ya terminé de recoger toda la basura que estaba en su alfombra de mi nena. Y ese vasito negro es donde se va la basura. Se tiene que limpiar bien para que no se eche a perder. Y aquí está toda la basura. Así que si quieres tu amiga, aquí abajo del video le dejo el link para que también.
iXlion Cordless Vacuum Cleaner for 5 kPa 55-min runtime, self-standing stick vacuum cleaners with HEPA filter for home, powerful suction, lightweight, LED light, anti-tangle brush, detachable battery. Lightweight for floor, carpet, pet hair, car.
This is actually a very nice vacuum for the price. It actually picks up very well and is pretty high speed for what it is. And I love the fact that it comes with this extra brush and the extra hose attachment. It even comes with an extra filter for when your other filter gets dirty. It comes with a charger. It comes with a part to actually mount it on your wall and all the screws to do it as well. It turns on super easy right here. And you can change the power through here. Turn it off like that. You can make it taller by pushing this button or
even took pictures of our dogs and turned them into color-by-number. It's so satisfying. You can download color-by-number in the link below.
Guys, हेर्नुहोस् मसँग फेरि कोर्डलेस भ्याकुम क्लिनर आइसकेको छ है हजुरहरूलाई म ओपन गरेर देखाउँछु है त हेर्नुहोस् है मैले चाहिँ पर्पलबाट लिएको छु गाइस कति राम्रो छ हजुरहरूलाई म जोडेर पनि देखाइदिन्छु ल यो पार्ट
Now if I have a ghost cream, I see that, I will now want it, rather than looking at it going, yeah, I saw what that is. Yeah. I quite like the texture of it.